So now that we have a basic understanding of how the overall file system works, why don't we take a look at what one of these app lockers, or sandboxes, looks like on the inside. When an app is installed, its sandbox is created with several pre-made containers. The bundle container contains the application itself, or more specifically, a directory that holds the executable code and resources, like images and sound files, or whatever else is used by that code. The data container, like its name might suggest, holds all the user and app data. Within it are three subcontainers: the documents, library, and temp directories. Temp is used for storing very temporary data that doesn't need to be persisted across launches, so we're not going to be talking about this directory in this course. Documents and library are the directories you want to focus on. Documents is where user data should go, and library is for non-user data files, or files that you don't want exposed to the user. Both of these directories contain a few standard subdirectories, such as Documents Inbox, Library Application Support, Library Caches, and several others. The Caches directory is important, and we'll revisit it along with the Documents and Library directories later in this lesson. Note that you can also create subdirectories of your own to better organize your files. At app runtime, an app may also request access to additional containers, such as the iCloud container. So now that we have an idea of how the file system works and what the sandboxes inside the file system look like, we can probably revisit our initial question: where does NSUser defaults live? If you guessed within the data container, you'd be right. It lives right here, within the data container inside of library. Its actual path looks something like this. The file info.myapp.mobile.plist is the file that contains the saved NSUser defaults.